In this video, I'll be showing you the first 90% of this pendant's creation, mostly all the thicker wires that you see here. I won't be talking a whole lot, but every now and then I'll give clues as to what's going on. First, we start with the stones and a drawing. And now I'm going to start bending a frame. Most of this pendant will be 10 gauge half round. I want to make the first few bends of this something to establish the overall shape. So I keep adjusting, I keep bending it around. And now I'm going to come in here with more 10 gauge half round. I use dead soft for anything bigger than 14 gauge. Bigger as in 12 gauge, 10 gauge, 8 gauge, or 6 gauge. And this video should be pretty good quality, so you can pause it at any point and take screenshots or just pause it to get a better look at what's happening in that frame. That wire that you see in the background there was a piece that I was thinking I was going to put on it, but I decided against it. When working the wire, I do leave quite a few marks on it. I will come through and polish this. I'll sand it and polish it. When putting that moonstone in my pliers, I'm very gentle on it, just kind of nudging it more into place, twisting it. And so that was the majority of it, and then I really took my time filling in with all the smaller wires, some of the silver beads you see there on the side. And I added actually quite a bit of wire to the back side to help balance this piece out to where it would sit correctly when set down on the table. And there we have it. Thank you so much for patronage. I'm glad I'm able to get some of these videos out to you. Watch out this month for a couple more. And happy creating!